Welcome. Today's story uses simple English. Look for phrasal verbs highlighted like this. Stick around until the end for the full vocabulary list. Let's begin. Hello, my name is Harley. I study English and I never give up. I like to read simple stories because they help me learn new words. Today, I want to tell you about my day. My friends and I are not local people. We are tourists here. Sometimes English feels a bit difficult for us, but we try to speak every day. We know that practice is very important. Chapter 1. The Sunny Meeting. It is Saturday today. Saturday is my favorite day because I do not work. The morning is very quiet and warm. The sun is bright in the blue sky. I look out of the window and smile. My friends call me up on my phone. They invite me for a walk in the city center. It is a perfect day for this. I put on my favorite blue jeans and a white t-shirt. I also wear comfortable shoes. I take my bag and my sunglasses. Now I am ready to go out. I walk to the city center. The streets are beautiful and clean. There are many people in the park. Children play with a ball and people walk with their dogs. I feel very happy and energetic. I enjoy the fresh air and the sun. Soon, I see my friends near the big fountain. There are 3 of them, Alex, Maria, and Kate. They are already there. It is exactly 2 o'clock. Alex wears a green jacket and black trousers. Maria has a beautiful yellow dress. Kate wears jeans and a white shirt. They all look very nice. Hello. I say and wave my hand. Hi, how are you? Maria asks with a big smile. I am great, thank you. It is so good to see you, I answer. We talk for a few minutes near the fountain. We are all very happy to see each other, but we are also very hungry. We decide on a popular cafe near the park and walk there together. Chapter 2. In the cafe. We walk to the cafe. The cafe is very close to the park. The name of the cafe is The Garden. It is a very good place. We see a lot of people inside. Some people drink coffee and some people eat big cakes. The cafe is very nice and warm. We look for a table. There is a small table near the door, but we are 4 people. We need a big table. Finally, we see a great table near the big window. We go in and sit down. The chairs are very comfortable and soft. The cafe is beautiful. There are big lamps on the ceiling and many pictures on the walls. I see many green plants in the corners. We like this atmosphere. We can see the street and the park from our window. It is very interesting to watch out for the cars and people outside. A waiter comes up to our table. He is a friendly man. He has 4 menus in his hands. He sets down the menus on the table. Hi, are you ready to order? The waiter asks. I feel a little nervous. It is difficult to understand him quickly, but I remember my English lessons. Not yet. We need some time, please, I answer. No problem, he says, and smiles. I am happy because he understands me. The more I speak, the easier it is. He is very polite. He waits for a moment and then goes to other people. Now we have the menus. The menu is big and colorful. There are many pages. We looked through the photos of the food. I want a lot of food, Alex says. I am very thirsty, Kate says. Let's look at the drinks first, Maria says. We read the menu for a long time. We want to choose the best food. We are very hungry and happy to be together. Chapter 3. The Order. We look at the menu for 10 minutes. The menu is big and has many photos. The pictures of the food are very beautiful. We are very hungry and everything looks tasty. We look at the prices too. The prices in this cafe are not very high, so we are happy. Finally, we are ready to choose. I see the waiter near another table and wave my hand. He comes back to our table with a smile and his small notebook. "What do you want to eat?" the waiter asks. First, we order the food. I pick out a cheese pizza and a green salad because I love pizza. And I like healthy food. Alex is very hungry today, so he chooses a burger, pizza, and French fries. He says he wants a lot of meat. Maria wants something light and warm, so she orders a chicken soup. Kate likes seafood very much, so she chooses a fish salad with tomatoes. Then, the waiter asks about the drinks. "Do you want any drinks?" he asks. "I want an orange juice with ice because it is hot today." Alex chooses a large cola. Maria wants a cup of black coffee, and Kate orders a bottle of mineral water. The waiter writes everything down in his notebook. "Something else?" he asks. "No, this is all for now." "Thank you," I answer. He takes away our menus and walks to the kitchen. We see the chef through the glass door. Now we wait for our lunch. We look around at other people in the cafe. Some people read books, and some people talk away on their phones. Chapter 4. The Delicious Lunch. After 15 minutes, the waiter comes back to our table. He brings our lunch. Everything smells amazing. He sets down the cheese pizza and the green salad in front of me. The pizza is very hot. Then he gives the burger, the second pizza, and the French fries to Alex. Alex's plate is very full. He looks at his food with a big smile. He puts some salt on his fries. Next, the waiter gives the chicken soup to Maria and the fish salad to Kate. Finally, he brings over our drinks. He puts my orange juice with ice, Alex's cola, Maria's coffee, and Kate's water on the table. "Enjoy your meal," the waiter says. "Thank you very much." We answer together. We dig in. My pizza is delicious, and the cheese is very soft. The salad is fresh and cold. Alex says his burger is perfect and very big. He eats his pizza and fries, and he shares them out with us. Maria likes her soup because it is warm and tasty. Kate enjoys her fish salad. She says the tomatoes are very sweet. We are very busy with the food, so we do not talk much for a few minutes. We only say, "This is so good," or "Try my pizza, it is delicious." The sun shines through the big window. We feel very relaxed and happy. We finish up our lunch, and now we are very full. The food in this cafe is really amazing. Sometimes we don't know a word in English, so we look it up on our phones or use gestures. It is a bit hard, but we don't give up. We listen to each other carefully. We know that the more we listen, the better we understand. Chapter 5. The End of the Day. Now it is time to get going. We are very happy and full, but we have other plans for today. I see our waiter near the door, and I wave my hand again. "The check, please," I say. "Yes, of course." One moment, the waiter answers with a smile. The waiter brings the paper with the prices. We look at the check. The lunch is not very expensive. We are four friends, so we decide to pay up together. Alex takes out his wallet, and Maria finds some money in her bag. We all have some cash. We put the money down on the table. We also leave a little extra money for the waiter. He is a very good worker, and he is very friendly today. Thank you very much. Have a good day. The waiter says, "Thank you. Goodbye." We answer. We stand up and take our bags. I look at the cafe for the last time. I really like the green plants and the soft music here. We walk out of the cafe and go outside. The weather is beautiful. The sun is still bright in the sky, and the air is very warm. We do not want to go back home now because the day is perfect. Let's go to the park and see the flowers, Kate says. That is a great idea. We can walk near the lake, Alex answers. We walk slowly to the park. We talk about our plans for the next week. It is a wonderful Saturday. We are happy to spend this time together. This day was great. I am proud of myself and my friends. We are not local, and our English is only level A1, but we can communicate. I keep on learning English through simple stories and real conversations. Now I know you don't need to be perfect. You just need to practice. Don't be afraid to speak. Have a good day.
Subscribe to our channel to enjoy new stories and learn English with us every day. Like this video if you love story. Write a comment and tell us what you think. We want to hear from you. See you soon. Bye-bye.